Hi everyone and welcome back to Henriksrestorations. Today I'm letting go. I'm sorry, but I have to. No, I'm not that serious, but I've decided to sell this BMW that I never started actually, because I'm not gonna have time for it, and I realized that this project, the Range Rover, will take all of my time that I have to spare. I actually put this out on Marketplace yesterday night, and today there's coming a guy that is gonna look at it. So hopefully he will buy it from me. It's a bit shame. It has great potential, and if you just have the time and the will to take care of it, it could be a really good car. It's very solid underneath, not much rust at all. It's a bit on a few spots, but otherwise it's very decent car actually. But we have trouble to get it to run, so we decided yesterday evening that it's like, I don't know, we're not gonna get it to run, and therefore I think it's best to let it go to someone else. Yeah, I think that's for the best. This episode will just be me removing some stuff out of the car. So I will start removing sound system. So I'll just remove the battery cables. Easier said than done. Go. I'm always a bit scared to deal with the battery. This is a keeper. Oh, right. That one I will keep because that's it for my Ford. And let's see, this is for the stereo. We tried to get this car starting by cleaning all the grounds and going through the electrical systems and whatnot, but I can't figure it out, so shouldn't be anything more here. The blue one was stuck in the stereo. Voila! There we go. Unfortunately, my microphone died on this clip, but as you can see here, we are loading the car up on the trailer. We had to work pretty hard because the battery wasn't strong enough to
jump the car up on trailer and the winch were kind of weak, but we got it in place eventually. As you can see on the screen right now, I have created a Patreon site, and you can also find the link in the description. If you choose to be a Patreon, you can contribute to my YouTube channel with a monthly subscription, and that will be highly appreciated. I also have Buy Me a Coffee that I also put in the screen right now, and you also find the link in the description. And some news. In a previous episode, I mentioned that I was planning to create some stickers, and I have. So if you're interested to get one of those stickers that I just put on the screen, please just leave a comment and with your email or something, so I can get in contact with you and we can arrange something. That will be highly appreciated, and all the income that I get from Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee or my stickers will go straight into the restorations.
Whoa, 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 whoa. So much space. And the car is gone. And the car is gone. It took maybe 1.5, 2 hours to get the car away. But he was very happy about the car, and he thought it looked very, very good, especially underneath. No rust, and it was like undercoated and everything, so it looked very good. He was super excited. So now we got a bunch of space, and that's very good because I'm planning to get things going a little bit, as I always plan to. So then I can use this space to paint stuff and prepare it so we can go back on the car again. And I also got a welding table that is loaded on my trailer in my other garage. So that will be unloaded in here, so I can use it as a welding table and create stuff. Maybe a bit choppy episode, but I just wanted to show you that I got rid of the BMW, unfortunately, because I think it could be a very nice car. If you put in some time and effort into the car, it can be really, really nice. In a couple of years, it will just rise in value. So I think if he can sort things out with the car, he can really enjoy it, and hopefully in a couple of years earn some money on it if he wants to sell it later on. But now I will start record something for next episode on the Range Rover, so we can get things going. So the next episode will be me working on the Range Rover again. Thanks so much, and see you later. Ciao.